Okay, I finally got another drive for my screener, but this one is actually a 3-phase input drive. This 240 volt. It's a 2 horsepower, and is it 8 amps continuous? So the screener, it ran on my other drive that I left out in the rain. It ran at 30 hertz, and that's all it wanted to run at before it would amp out, and the motor would get hot when it ran over 30 hertz. But this it's been running for a while. I mean, it's barely warm. I have to put a temperature gauge on it, but it's been running for a while now, and I hadn't screened anything with it, and it's not running that much. But if it'll screen at this, I'm going to leave it at this because it's running really good and it's not too violent. At 60 hertz is very violent. For some reason, it don't like running at 60 hertz. And I hooked it up to a 5-horse drive when I first got it, and I never tried running it at lower hertz. You know, I just didn't think it liked the drive, but I just tried it on that drive again, and it ran fine on that drive. So at 30 hertz, so it likes running at 30 hertz. I got the motor set to run at 240 3-phase, and that's a 3-phase 240 drive, but it's 2 horsepower, and this is a 1 horsepower motor. So you need to double the horsepower on the drive if you're not using a drive that's dedicated for single phase input. I'm not sure that all drives or which drives run at will run single phase with this intended for 3-phase, but I know every one I've ever tried has. So, but I usually just use Allen Bradley and stuff like that. So all the ones I've ever tried have run as long as you double the horsepower of the drive. So, and then this one's running, don't know if you can see it, it's running at 3.65 amps at 30 hertz. So we're going to let it run like that, and if it'll screen like that, I'll keep it, because it seems to be running good. I just hadn't screened with it yet. My yard's still too wet, but we'll get there eventually. So, all right.